In a sole agency relationship, a real estate professional must always act in the best interests of their client. The brokerage and its industry professionals must take reasonable steps to avoid any conflicts of interest. However, if and when a conflict of interest does arise, the industry professional must disclose the existence and nature of the conflict to his or her client at the earliest practical opportunity. One of the most common instances of conflict of interest takes place when a common law brokerage, through its industry professionals, acts as agent for two buyer clients who become interested in purchasing the same property. In a common law brokerage, this conflict exists when it is one industry professional representing both buyers or two industry professionals employed by the same brokerage representing the competing buyers. However, in designated agency, there is only a conflict of interest if both buyers are represented by the same industry professional, the designated agent. If there are two designated agents within the brokerage, each representing a different competing buyer, there is no conflict of interest. What do you need to do when a common law brokerage or designated agent is representing two buyers interested in the same property at the same time? The answer is to be honest and upfront about the situation with your clients and get their understanding of the situation in writing. The buyers must be given an opportunity to obtain independent legal advice and must give their timely, informed consent in writing to proceed. It is the buyer's right to decide whether they want to allow the brokerage or any of its industry professionals to represent them in this situation. If both buyers are prepared to allow the brokerage or a designated agent to represent them in this situation, the brokerage and each buyer client should agree in writing how the duties and obligations are to be changed, limited, or not applied. When representing two competing buyers, the brokerage or designated agent is unable to provide undivided loyalty to either buyer client. There would need to be a change and mutual understanding that reflects the impartial role of the brokerage in the negotiating process. Neither buyer would want the brokerage to act as an advocate for one to the detriment of the other. For more information on this subject, check out the information bulletin, Conflict, Representing Competing Buyers on the RECA website at www.reca.ca.